That's a photo of you, yes?
Yes,
Okay. That's Mr. Rittenhouse?
correct.
Okay. Now, you'd agree your firearm is pointed at Mr. Rittenhouse, correct?
Yes,
Okay. And once your firearm is pointed at Mr. Rittenhouse, that's when he fires his gun. Yes?
no,
Sir, look, I don't want to. Does this look like right now your arm is being shot?
that looks like my bicep being vaporized, yes.
Okay. And it's being vaporized as you're pointing your gun directly at him. Yes?
Yes,
Okay, so when you were standing 3 to 5 feet from him with your arms up in the air, he never fired, right?
correct.
It wasn't until you pointed your gun at him, advanced on him, with your gun, now your hands down, pointed at him, that he fired, right?
Correct.
So after you raised your hands like this, you saw the defendant re-rack the weapon?
Correct.
What did you think was going to happen?
In my experiences and in my inference in that moment, for the defendant had pointed his weapon at me and I had put my hands in the air. Re-racking the weapon, in my mind, meant that the defendant pulled the trigger while my hands were in the air, but the gun didn't fire. So then by re-racking the weapon, I inferred that the defendant wasn't accepting my surrender. So after the defendant had re-racked his weapon with the rifle still aimed at me, in that moment, I felt that I had to do something to try and prevent myself from being killed or being shot or killed.
Were you armed?
I was.
Tell us about that.
I believe in the Second Amendment. I am for people's right to carry and bear arms. And that night was no different than any other day. It's keys, phone, wallet, gun.
Did you have a permit to carry a concealed weapon?
I did.
Was it in effect on August 25th, 2020?
It was not.
Had it expired
It had.
and you had not renewed it?
I had not.